This is Ish at Ish Tactical Solutions, and by the request of a reviewer, they wanted to hear the comparison of not suppressed and suppressed on the AR-15 and the AR-10. So that's what we're going to do to give you an idea of what it sounds like when it's normally just coming out of the gun compared to the weapon being suppressed itself. Alright, so we'll start off with the AR-15, and we'll put 2 shots down range, not suppressed. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to slide our suppressor here on. Alright, and let you hear it suppressed 2 shots. Alright guys, so that's on suppressed and not suppressed with the AR-15. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the AR-10. Alright, so the AR-10 shoots a .308 bullet, and this is what it sounds like not suppressed. Alright, let's slide the suppressor on there for you. Let you listen to it suppressed. Alright. And there we go. And that's what the weapons both sound like, not suppressed and suppressed. Don't forget to give us a like, favorite, subscribe, God, family, country, in that order. Have a good one.